Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a run system. So when you are running, you want to reduce energy. And when you are not running, so you want to recover energy. Also, if you are not move, so still recover the energy, but don't reduce energy even if you press the button for running. So let's do it. So go to Rio. First, we need to make an input for my running. So I want to edit, go to product setting, go to input, and here I want to action mapping on a T plus. So I'm going to add a new one. I want to call this run, for example. I want to use the shift button. You want to use the keyboard you want it, and also I want to use the equipox. So they want to be right here. So shoulder, left shoulder. So that's okay. So we close this. So in here right now, if I go play, Unreal set this like you are always running. So I don't want to do that. I want to be always walking. So when I press the button, run. So let's do it. So go to the player you have in the blueprint. So I have the one DP character. I want to open it. So go to character movement, and here go where they said max walk speed. So here I want to change to 150. I use 150 because this animation is not really great for walking. So that is the more close to a real walking. So compile and save. So now if I press play, so now it's working. So now we want to run. So let's do it. So go here. Go right button, it said run. So we have it right here. It's a input action, so remember that. So now we need to something they want reduce add. So you want to use a power. So it want to be a variable, add new variable. I want to call it power. I want to use this for be a float, because they want to be from 0 to 1. So compile and save. So when in default, I want to be full power already. So I'm going to say 1. So it's full. So that's it. So now I want to a variable 2 that is running and not. So I'm going to set run. I want to change this to a boolean. So is it true or not? True or false? Compile and save. So okay. So now if we press it, I want to be running. So set run. If it's not, I want to set to not. So copy paste. I'll say false when I release the button. That is the first. So now we want to use the power. So I want to know if we have enough power to run. So I'm gonna put it out. So I'm gonna put it right something like here. Put this up here to see better. So if the power is greater flow several, I want to be running. So a branch. So if it's true, so if true is running, so they wanna reduce power. So I wanna set get power again. They wanna less. I wanna reduce like 10%, for example, 0.1. I want to clamp it first. So this way you never go to less to 0, need more max to 1. So it's always to be in between. So we need to set it again. So set power. So now this is the new power we have. So I want to use this doing all the time. So you can use a tick node, but I don't like to use ticks if I can avoid it. So here we want to use a retrievable delay like that. But before on this, I want to set the max walk speed to our speed I want. So I want to take the character movement I wanna get max wall speed. No, sorry, set max walk speed. I want to put it like 600. So go like this. So now I want to this repeat again and again when you have this. So put it like here, all the way back to here. So I want to move this a little bit to be more clear, like that, something like that, like that. So when you are not running, so you don't have this, I want to set again to run to false. So I want to target this a little bit like that. I want to be false. So go again here, hit take power again. So in this case, they're gonna be add 10%, for example, 0.1. Clamp it again instead. So I'm gonna copy this. So don't write everything. So paste, connect this connect value, this one with this one. So I want to set the movement again. So copy and paste. The target is character movement. The max speed I want is 150. 150. So we can use the same detectable delay. So we want it. So I'm gonna use this one. You can use the duration you want. 0.2 is okay for me. So now if we compile and save it, try again, we need to see in the screen how to this working or not. So we need to make a widget. So go to right click, use interface, widget blueprint. I want to call this like, I don't know, HUD. So open it. I want to use a progress bar. So I put it in the top. You can put it wherever you like it better. Anchor it to the left. Yeah, I want to make a binding. So I'm gonna go to the percent, go to binding, create binding. So I want to create here. We need a reference from the player. So I'm gonna be casting, cast GP character like that. So the object gonna be get player character. And from here we need to get power. Get power. And connect power to return value. Connect this like that. File and save. Now we have this binder ready. So I want to use when they start playing. I want to see it this widget. So go here. Sorry. Go to begin play. I'm gonna make a begin play. They wanna create a widget. Like that. What widget want? Well, we want to the HUD widget. On add to the viewport. To viewport like that. Compile and save. So now we can see we have power. If I press it, they go down. But if I release it, it's still doing it. So it's an error right now. So why the error here? Well, we set it, but we never know really when it's still running or not. So the best way to do it, go to run again, get run, make a branch. So we need to know if it's still running or not. So if it is, we need to continue from here. If it don't, they go here again. Yeah, it's a little confusing here, but we can make this clear like that. So do a little better. A little down. Compile save. So we play now. If we use it, when I release it, they go back again. But what is the problem with this too? Well, if I don't move it, I press the button, I reduce energy. That's impossible because I don't move it at all. So I want to change that. So the best way to do it is all of this begin, go down. We need to know what velocity we want. So press button, say get velocity. What velocity we want? The target is this character, so this okay. So I want to know the length, the vector length. So I want to know in float is 0 or more than 0. So I go here. If it's greater than 0, that means I move it. I move, so it's gonna be a brand. I'll move this a little back like that. So if we are moving, so we want to run. If we are not moving, we want to not running. So like that. So do a little better. So compile and save. So now, if I don't move, I press the button, they don't do nothing. But if I move, I press the button, now it's running. If I don't move, they recover, not recover. So if I press it, move it, they don't do nothing. If I press again, they run again. So that's it. I hope you like it, so you know how to make the real good run system, because I see a lot of the tutorial they miss a few parts of this or use the tick note, so I don't like they use ticks if I can avoid it. So I hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. I have more videos there. Also, you can go to my Discord channel. So I have more video about different things, not all about tutorials. So I hope you see you to the next video. So bye bye.